Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. Let's make wudu together. In my heart I make my niyyah to please Allah.
Wash, wash, wash our hands nice and clean.
Rinse our mouth gently now, kind words we will say. Clean our nose carefully, Allah loves when we're clean.
Wash our face, Bismillah. Water flows, Alhamdulillah.
Wash our arms to the elbows, left and right. Wipe our head and ears so soft, calm and ready to pray.
Wash our feet step by step, ready now for Salah.
Oh Allah, help us stay clean, love to pray. Ameen.